ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
What is the probability of a number picked from first 20 natural numbers is even composite number? Even composite number means, see here, again the same formula. So, what is the probability of a number picked from first 20 natural numbers? First 20 is said, so how many natural numbers we have? 1 to 20. Yes, so we have 20 numbers. Out of these 20 natural numbers, we want even composite number. Even number, in the sense even number. So how many even numbers will be having? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. What is said? Even composite number. Is 2 a composite number or a prime number? Yes, 2 is a prime number. So, you need to remove this, because he said even, we have written all, but he said composite number, not a prime number. So, totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, totally how many? 9. Out of how many numbers? That becomes the answer. Is that clear? So, first we have written all the even numbers, but he said composite numbers, so we have removed that too. So, remaining will be 9 out of 20. That becomes the answer, 9 by 20. Is that clear? Yes. Coming to the next one. The next question is like this. See, all these are previous year's questions. Please try to understand properly. Coming to question number 15. A bag contains balls which are numbered from 1 to 50. How many balls we have? 50 balls, numbered from 1 to 50. A ball is drawn at random. A ball is drawn at random from 1 to 50 numbers. So, what is that drawn ball? He wants it to be, find the probability that it beats a 2-digit number multiple of 7. I want a number which is a multiple of 7, a 2-digit number, he said. Multiples of 7 are how many? 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s 21, 7 4s 28, then 7 5s 35, 7 6 42, 7 7s 49. How many are there? Yes. So, total how many numbers we have? 1 to 50. So, total how many? 50 numbers. Out of these 50 numbers, we want a 2-digit number multiple of 7. 2-digit number multiples. Is this a 2-digit number? No. So, that is what we need to remove, because I have written all the multiples of 7 first, then he said 2-digit number. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many are there? 6. Out of how many numbers? 50. That becomes the answer. That is, again write down the formula, that is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Total number of favorable outcomes are 6 and total number of possible outcomes are 50. Simplify this, 2 3s are 2, 25s. That becomes the answer. Is that clear? Just simply that he said multiple of 7, that to a 2-digit number, that is what we need to calculate. Clear? Yes. Coming to the next question. A box contains 4 red, 5 green and p white balls. How many white balls? P white balls. If the probability of randomly picked ball from the box to be a red ball is 1 by 3. Probability of randomly picked ball. If the probability of randomly picked ball from the box to be a red ball. So, probability of red ball, how much he has given? 1 by 3. He has given the probability of drawing a red ball. Probability of drawing a red ball is 1 by 3 ball he has given. Now, he asked find the number of white balls. How many white balls we have? P white balls. So, this is what we need to find. So, we need to find P. So, this is what he has given. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Again the same formula, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, number of favorable outcomes of getting a red ball. How many red balls we have? 4 divided by total number of balls, 4 plus 5 plus P red balls is equal to how much? That is it. This is total number of balls. Cross multiplication, that becomes 4 3s are 12 and this is 9 plus P. So, P is equal to how much? 12 minus 9. So, that becomes 3. So, 3 white balls. Is that clear? The only information he has given is about red ball. The probability of getting a red ball is 1 by 3. What is the probability of getting a red ball? You know, how many red balls we have? 4 divided by total number of balls. How many balls we have? 4 plus 5 plus P white balls. We are just substituting in the formula, cross multiplication, simplification, that becomes 3 white balls. Is that clear? Understood? Yes.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K. Venkana classes, and at K. Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K. Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Now, we will see some more previous year's questions which carries 4 marks. Just now we have seen 2 marks, now coming to 4 marks. Suppose you drop a dice at random on the circular region of diameter 28 centimeters. Circular region of diameter 28 centimeters. Let us suppose this is the circular region of diameter 28 centimeters. Okay. Now, coming to the question once again, what is the probability that it will land inside the rectangle of length 11 centimeters and breadth 7 centimeters? Inside we have a rectangle. Let us suppose length is 11 centimeters, breadth is 7 centimeters. So, this is the area of the rectangle. How much is this area? This is 11 centimeters, this is 7 centimeters, and the total area of the rectangle, is area of rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth, that is 11 into 7 centimeters square. Okay. Now, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, as we know, that is 22 by 7 into radius. What is the diameter? Diameter is 28 centimeters. So, radius equal to what? How much? Diameter by 2, that is 14 centimeters. R square, that is 14 into 14. So, that becomes centimeter square. This goes how many times? 7 twos. So, that becomes 22 into 2 into 14 centimeter square. Why we have calculated this? Because we know that P of is equal to what? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. See, this is the basic formula, right? Yes. Now we are substituting. What is that question? What is the probability that it will land inside the rectangle? So, this is the favorable case that landing what? Die will be landing in this area. How much is this area? That is what we got is 11 into 7. That is the favorable case, because my die should land on this region, the shaded region. How much is the total area of this region? Yes, length into breadth, that is nothing but 11 into 7 divided by total area of this circle. What is the total area of this circle? Nothing but this one, that is 22 into 2 into 14. That becomes the answer. Simplify this. This goes how many times? 11 twos. This goes how many times? This. So, that becomes 1 by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That becomes the answer. So, out of 8, we have one chance of landing that die on that rectangular region. Is that clear? Understood? Once again, this is my favorable region, that is area of the rectangle divided by total area of the region, that is nothing but total area of the circle. This region divided by this region, area of the rectangle divided by area of the circle. That becomes the answer. Clear? Yes. Coming to the next one. The next question is like this. Question number 18. Two dice are rolled at the same time and the sum of the numbers appearing on them is noted. Two dice we are throwing. Two dice, yes. The question is, find the probability of getting each sum from 3 to 5 separately. So, what is the probability of getting the sum 3 to 5? 3 to 5 means getting sum of 3, getting sum of 4, getting sum of 5. So, when we will be getting 3? Start with 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, that is it. Yes. When we will be getting sum of 4? Yes. Start with 1, 1, 3, then 2, 2, then 3, 1. So, that becomes 5, and the sum of 5 is, when we will be getting 5? 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, then 4, 1, that is it. How many we have here? How many we have here? How many we have here? Yes. So, now the question is find the probability of getting each sum from 3 to 5 separately. Yes, separately means I can write individually or the total. Total becomes what? 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4 by total number of outcomes. How many total outcomes? Total number of outcomes. How many dice we are throwing? Yes, 2 dice. 2 dice means, as I told you, 6 square, that is 36 cases. So, becomes 36. So, how much is this? 2 plus 3 plus 4? Yes, 9 by 36, that becomes 1 by 4. Is that clear? That is, find the probability of getting each sum of 3, 4, 5, add these, those are the favorable cases, divided by total number of cases, that becomes 9 by 36, that becomes 1 by 4. Is that clear? Yes. Coming to the next one. The question is like this. Question number 19. If 2 dice are thrown at the same time, again 2 dice, yes, find the probability of getting sum of the dots on the top is prime number. Sum should be prime number. When we will be getting prime numbers? Prime numbers will be sum. I want sum to be prime. So, we may get 2, we may get 3, we may get 5, we may get 7, we may get 11. Any other numbers? We will be getting sum as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. but we don't want all these, we want the sum to be prime, sum to be prime. So, prime numbers are these. When will be getting 2? When will be getting 2? When will be getting 2? Yes, 1 comma 1. When will be getting 3? Yes, just now we have seen 1 2 and 2 1. Next, when will be getting 5? Yes, just now we have seen 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. When will be getting 7? When will be getting 7? Yes, 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1. Yes, how many? 6. When will be getting 11? Yes, 11 means 5 6 6 5. How many? Only 2. So, these are 6, these are 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is only 1. Yes, these many favorable cases we have. The question is now, find the probability of getting a sum of the dots on the top is a prime. So, sum is prime, sum is prime, sum is prime, sum is prime. So, these many. How many favorable cases? So, how many? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. I may get sum as 2, sum as 3, sum as 5, sum as 7, sum as 11. Divided by total number of cases are how many? As I told you 36 cases, that is 6 square. So, that becomes how much? 1 plus 2 plus 4 becomes how much? 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 by 36. This goes how many times? 3 5s are 3 12s are, that becomes 5 by 12. I suppose you understood. Malli cheptunanandi. What is the probability of getting a total sum which is a prime number? Total sum prime కావాలంట. Prime numbers ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి నాన్న? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 13 రాదు, ఎందుకంటే total sum 12 కంటే ఎక్కువ రాదు కదా. When we are throwing 2 dice, maximum will be 6,6. So, we won't be getting 13, 17, all these things. We will be getting only 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. When will be getting 2? Only one case, that is 1, 1. When will be getting 3? 1, 2, 2, 1, that is 2 cases. When will be getting 5? These many cases. When will be getting 7? These many cases. When will be getting 11? Add all these and substitute in the formula. Number of favorable cases, that is these many, 15. Total number of cases of throwing 2 dice, 6 square, that is 36. 15 by 36 goes how many times? 3 5s are 3 12s are, that becomes 5 by 12. Clear? Yes. Coming to the next one. A bag contains some square cards. Some cards we have. A prime number between 1 to 100, so total numbers are 100, has been written on each card. A prime number between 1 to 100 has been written on each card. Find the probability of getting a card that the sum of the digits of prime number written on it is 8. I want a prime number whose sum should be 8. I want a prime number whose sum should be 8. ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్కి ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 8 వస్తుంది. సి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ లెట్ సపోజ్ 13 ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 2 numbers? 1 plus 3 4. Is that 8? So, I want the prime number total should be 8. Prime numbers ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి నాన్న? I want it compulsory, I want a 2-digit number because I want to add some. Yes. So, do I get 11? Do I get 13? Do I get 17? Do I get 19? Do I get 23? No. So, because the sum is 2, sum is 4, sum is 9, sum is 10, sum is 5. When will be getting sum as 8? Yes, exactly. See here. Again the same formula. So, when will be getting sum? 17. Yes, just now we have seen 17, that sum should be 8, 1 plus 7. In the same way, can I write 7 1? Yes. Can I write 5 3? Yes. So, total how many? Yes, 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1, 5 plus 3. So, how many numbers are there? 3. Out of how many numbers? Total how many numbers we have? 1 to 100 he said. So, that becomes 100. Is that clear? Understood? Yes. Coming to the next question. The next question is like this. The next question is like this. A bag contains 5 red and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball. So, that is what he has given. Probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of drawing a red ball. This is what he has given. Yes. What is the probability of drawing a blue ball? The same formula, number of favorable cases of divided by total number of cases. Probability of drawing a blue ball. Do we have blue ball? No. So, let x be number of blue balls. That is it. So, x number of blue balls, probability of drawing a blue ball means number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of balls. Total number of balls are how many? Blue balls. This is what we have taken, x plus 5 is equal to 2 into probability of drawing a red ball. What is the chance of drawing a red ball? Again, total number of available cases divided by total number of cases. Yes, yes, exactly. That's it. So that becomes x by x plus y is equal to 10 by x plus y. This x plus y and this x plus y get cancelled. Remains with what? X. What is x? Therefore, number of blue balls is equal to 10. Is that clear? So simple as that. Once again, he said if the probability of drawing a blue ball, is double means twice of that of drawing a red ball. Probability of drawing a blue ball, ఏంటి నాన్న ఎన్ని బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి బ్లూ బాల్స్ x అని తీసుకున్నా, number of blue balls divided by total number of balls. Total how many? Blue balls plus red balls is equal to twice that of drawing a red ball. How many red balls we have? 5 divided by total number of balls, that is blue balls plus red balls. X plus 5 and x plus 5 get cancels. 2 into 5 becomes 10. So, x equal to 10. That becomes the number of blue balls. Is that clear? Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.